Viewers, today we will discuss top powerful food banana that have vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin A. So let's start the video. Bananas are a good source of several vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A1. Vitamin C provides antioxidant properties and helps boost the immune system. 2. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, essential for brain development and function, and helps convert food into energy. 3. Vitamin A, important for maintaining healthy skin and vision. Bananas also contain small amounts of other vitamins like vitamin K, riboflavin, B2, and folate. They are a nutritious and convenient snack option. Functions of vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, has several important functions in the body, including 1. Antioxidant. It helps protect cells from damage by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. 2. Collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that helps wounds heal and is important for skin, cartilage, and bones. 3. Immune system support. It boosts the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. 4. Iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods, which is important for preventing anemia. 5. Skin health. It's often used in skincare products for its ability to brighten and rejuvenate the skin. 6. Heart health. Some studies suggest it may reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood vessel function. 7. Cancer prevention. There's ongoing research into whether vitamin C might help prevent or treat certain cancers. It's important to include an adequate amount of vitamin C in your diet through fruits and vegetables, as the body cannot produce it on its own. The recommended daily intake varies by age and sex, but getting a balanced amount of vitamin C is crucial for overall health. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. Here are some of its important functions and sources. Functions of vitamin B6. 1. Metabolism. Vitamin B6 is essential for the metabolism of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. It helps convert food into energy. 2. Neurotransmitter production. It's involved in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine, which are important for mood regulation. 3. Hemoglobin production. Vitamin B6 is necessary for the synthesis of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. 4. Immune function. It supports the immune system by aiding in the production of antibodies and immune cells. 5. Nervous system health. B6 plays a role in maintaining the health of the nervous system. Dietary sources. Good food sources of vitamin B. 6 include poultry, fish, pork, nuts, whole grains, and some fruits and vegetables like bananas and potatoes. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 varies by age and sex, but it's important for overall health and well-being. A balanced diet typically provides an adequate amount of this vitamin. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for various bodily functions. Here are some of its important roles and dietary sources. Functions of vitamin A1. Vision. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. It's a key component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eye's retina that helps detect light. 2. Immune system. It plays a role in the proper functioning of the immune system, helping to fight infections. 3. Skin health. Vitamin A is important for skin health and is often used in skincare products to treat conditions like acne. 4. Cell growth and development. It is essential for normal growth and development, particularly in children. Dietary sources. Preformed vitamin A. Found in animal products like liver, fish, and dairy. Provitamin A, carotenoids, found in plant-based sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and other colorful fruits and vegetables. Beta-carotene is one of the most common carotenoids that the body can convert into vitamin A. It's important to get an adequate amount of vitamin A in your diet to maintain good health, but excessive intake of vitamin A from supplements can be harmful, so it's important to follow recommended dietary guidelines. The recommended daily intake of vitamin A varies by age and sex. In this video, we discussed bananas containing vitamins C, B6, and A. We also discussed these vitamins' functions before using. You should consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. Take care. Banana found in various countries around the world. Bananas are grown in many countries around the world due to their adaptability to different climates. Some of the top banana-producing countries include India, China, the Philippines, Ecuador, and Brazil. The reasons for banana cultivation in these countries vary, but they generally have suitable tropical or subtropical climates with sufficient rainfall and well-drained soil, which are ideal conditions for banana growth. Additionally, bananas are a popular and nutritious fruit, making them a valuable crop for both domestic consumption and international trade.